Hi, and welcome to How to Function, a lightweight video series on how to create Azure functions. My name is Corey Fowler, and during the course of this video series, I'm going to be showing you how to create a variety of different Azure functions, which will allow you to augment your application development using serverless technologies. During this particular episode, we're going to be focusing on the HTTP trigger function. This means we'll be running arbitrary code anytime the function URL is called via HTTP. To get started, let's click on New Function, and you can see here we have a variety of templates we can choose from. So let's choose the HTTP trigger and give this a name. Let's say Hello Functions. Then I can go and click Create. What this has done is created a brand new HTTP endpoint, which we'll copy to the clipboard, and we have some code here which will get executed whenever we hit that HTTP endpoint. Let's take a quick view of the code. So you can see we're responding to an HTTP request message, which is known as request, and we have an instance of a trace writer for logging. So whenever this function is hit, we'll go to log the information to let us know that we've actually triggered an execution. Then we're going to look at the query string parameter and the request body for a property called name. And if we find a name, we'll actually go and print a message. If we don't find a name, we'll send an HTTP status code of bad request and send a message saying please provide a name. Let's go and actually fire this request. So what I'm going to do is open up Postman, and we can go and create a brand new HTTP post, paste in our function URL, and then we need to do one thing here, which is add a content type, which will allow us to send JSON to the server. So let's just go and add application JSON. And now let's go and provide the body so we can send that parameter name, in which case we'll just say functions. And then if we go and hit send, that will send our HTTP request with this payload in the body. And you can see that we return hello functions. Let's go back to the app here, and we'll actually go and modify our function. So I'm going to take advantage of a C#6 feature, which allows us to actually go and place formatting directly within a string, and we'll add an exclamation mark at the end of our hello. Then what we'll do here is click on save, and you can see in the logs here that we've actually gone and compiled our function, so it's ready to go again. Let's go back to Postman, send a new HTTP request, and you can see here we now get the response hello functions with that exclamation mark that we added. Just to show you here, you can see that we've actually triggered it, and this is called out being via that log information that we traced above. And if you don't have the ability to use something like Postman, we also have the ability to run and debug your applications directly from the portal. So you can see here we have name Azure, click run, and we get hello Azure with our exclamation mark with the status code of 200 OK. This has been a very easy demonstration of how to use an HTTP trigger, and I hope you join us next episode where we'll be talking about triggering using a timer.